Again guys, palakpakan naman natin ang ating soon-to-be parents. Ayan. Ngayon, first time kong na-meet si Princess at napaka-blooming ni Madam ano. Ano pa sabi nila, pag blooming daw yung babae, it's a baby girl. Naniniwala ba kayo doon?
Yes!
Sino ba ang team pink dito? Please raise your hands. Wow, ayan. How about team blue?
Pero naka-blue.
Wow, ayan, marami naka-team blue, ayan. So, alright. It's time for the ultimate parenting warm-up. Ready ba kayong dalawa? We are playing Fast Talk with our guest stars, Princess and Rondae. 10 rapid-fire questions, 0 seconds to think, and absolute honesty. Let's see who is ready for the midnight duty. Are you ready, guys? Let's start. Alright. Who will cry first in the delivery room? Is it mama, dad? It's dad. Ayan. Who will change the first diaper? Both. Nice. Who will be the strict parent? Who will take the most baby selfies? Who will wake up first for the midnight feeding?
Talaga lang ah!
Parang puro si mami ah. Alright, next is, who will spoil the baby the most? Ayan. Sino mag-spoil sa baby? Daddy. Who will lose the most sleep? Sino hindi masyado makakatulog? During midnight, who will be more overprotective? Baby girl or baby boy? Girl. Boy. Of course. Okay. Sino ang gusto agad ng baby number 2? Wala.
Kami!
Wala. So alright. Thank you so much, Princess and Rondae, for being a good sport. And to give us a special performance, let's call on stage, Mr. Hiroaki Wakamatsu.
Hiroki.